thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test, and today we're looking at the new Durafly Slow Poke from our friends at hobbyking.com. Now the Slow Poke has been around for many years and in different formats, but Durafly have breathed new life into this retro classic by making some subtle changes, and it looks really good on the box. So this model, as all Durafly models, is made of durable EPO foam. It's going to be lightweight and resistant to all the knocks that we might give it. It's in plug and fly format. It's highly prefabricated. It's going to take minutes to assemble, and all we're going to have to do is drop our receiver and our flight battery in, and we're going to be ready to go. It has pre-assembled undercarriage with large wheels, ball links on all the controls for precise control of it when it's in the air. Specs: it's 1,200 millimeters wingspan, 940 millimeters length. Flying weight is 1,380 grams. Comes with a 700 kV brushless outrunner, Aerostar 40 amp speed controller, and the prop is a 12x8, and the 9-gram servos are all pre-installed. Okay, so let's not hang around. Let's take the components out of the box. Let's see what we get. Okay, so here we go. These are all the components out of the box. So looking at the fuselage first, you can see we've got the brushless motor already in place and some nice detail on the dummy engine. Here at the front's going to look good in the air. And we've got the pilot in place, pre-painted, nothing to do there. And also his cockpit as well, some nice detail there. Pull that off, strong magnets. You can see we've got the 40 amp speed controller already in there, the servos for the rudder and the elevator as well. XT60 connector on the speed controller. Slots back in place really easily and snaps shut, so that won't come off in the air. Steerable tail wheel and the push rods for the elevator and the rudder, and we'll just have to put those in place. And we've got the wings, big fat wings, which is going to make it such a slow, gentle flyer. Really nice. Restraining wires for the wings onto the fuselage attach here, I guess. And then underneath you can see we've got the servo already in place, and that we're going to have to put the horn in. And we've got the rudder and the elevator themselves. Again, nice big, thick, high quality foam pieces. And the prop, nice prop with painted tips, and the wheels already assembled, ready to put in place on the fuselage. So, or underneath the ring rather, because this is a Taildragger. And that's it. So really interesting. I think this is going to be very quick to put together, take about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we're going to take it down the flying field and fly this for the first time. Okay, so here we are with the new Durafly Slow Poke. Really easy to put together, couldn't have been easier really. And these wires that you have to put on have springs at both ends. There are two long springs in the pack. They're the ones to use at the fuselage end of the wires. Just make sure that you do that. All I've done is added a little scarf to my pilot for a little bit of scale effect. I think that'll look quite good in the wind if I turn around the other way. So yeah, really easy to put together. Let's try it, see how it flies. Nice and gentle, I think, this one.
Do you mind standing back a bit? Just going to...
utterly amazing how slow, well, two things, how slow this will fly, unbelievable, and that's all down to the thick cord of the wing, I think, and inverted, it's absolutely fantastic as well. And the turns, you can do such nice, slow, really tight turns. You can almost fly within the bounds of our little patch here that we're flying from today. So that's it, really enjoyed flying that. Just goes to prove you don't have to fly something that's fantastically aerobatic or fantastically fast. You know, something like this new Durafly Slow Poke can be so relaxing to fly and so much fun. Okay, so that's it for this essential RC flight test. Hope you enjoyed that. I certainly did. You might want to subscribe to this YouTube channel. We do lots of news and reviews, not just of planes, cars and boats, and lots of other things as well. And we travel around shows and take video as well of some amazing models. So please subscribe. Otherwise, you might want to join our Facebook group as well, where we have news, reviews and the occasional really good free giveaway. It's worth keeping your eye out for those. So thanks for watching. See you next time.